Hey dolls, here are my top 5 beauty tips for brides-to-be. Consider the climate. Many brides have destination weddings in very different climates than they're used to. This is when sweat, water, and humidity-resistant products, such as our Temp 2 airbrush makeup, will ensure your bridal beauty will last well past the reception. Shimmer in the right places. I tell my artists in training that well-placed shimmer is brilliance. Use shimmer to brighten any dark areas such as the inner corners of your eyes and your Cupid's bow. A little in the right places will go a long way. Individual lashes. Using a strip lash can look too heavy in photos, so I tend to stick with individuals. Tears can cause a strip lash to lift and eventually come off, and that's the last thing you want. You don't want to find your lashes in your handkerchief. Scrub your lips. Make sure to exfoliate any dead skin from your lips before applying products. Check out our blog for my pumpkin spice sugar scrub recipe that is delicious and super easy to make. Look like you, just enhanced. Work with your artist to create a look that is an enhanced version of yourself. If you never wear red lipstick, don't let your wedding day be the first time you give it a try. You'll want to recognize yourself in your photos, and your soon-to-be hubby, he'll want to recognize you too. For more beauty tips, tune into our Makeup Monday blogs and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Till next time, dolls.